Yo, what up, gang? How you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time you guys are watching this. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or had an amazing day. So if you guys remember or had me on Instagram, yesterday we installed the KBD bumper on my 350Z, but then as I was editing the video, I realized that the mic wasn't completely on. So I didn't get like much audio out of it, just like the intro, and then, well, that was it. So today I'm gonna be working on it again. I'm gonna be fixing the little gaps that it has, and then we'll see. Alright, so while I do that, you guys can enjoy yesterday's vlog. That was gonna be today, but it's today's and yesterday's and today. Well, you guys get it. Yo, what up, gang? How you guys doing? Hope you guys doing okay, staying safe with everything that's going on right now. It's pretty crazy. When we said that 2020 was gonna be a movie, we weren't kidding, dude. But I mean, valió verga en algún lugar por ahí. I hope you guys staying safe. We're going to process this. We're going to do whatever we want to do. Hope you're doing it safe. We're back with another video. Today we're trying something new, trying to hold the camera and talk to you guys so we can interact with you guys more. Today we're installing a KBD bumper on the 350Z, guys. I'm excited, dude. Die. No, it's not my camera. It's actually Jose's camera, the guy that was in the last video. He let me borrow it, kind of saved it. Jose, if you're watching this, thank you for the camera. I finished reading out the holes. Came up pretty good. And then also I installed this support that KBD sends you for your bumper to like kind of like sit on it, that part, so it doesn't sag. These to put on the new one right here, and I also drill out the holes because I forgot to tell you guys. Like, as you can see, there's one right there, one right here. For these, like this one. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys can see me because I don't know where to look on the phone. So pa acá. I'm a third guy. Alright, so what we ended up doing is we can just try to mock it right here. See how it sits with the holes and the screws. Alright guys, so after a couple of hours working on it, got it done. That's my boy. You guys wanna see it? I love it. It's amazing. Let me show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Sorry about the mic, I didn't know. So, you know, I'm new to this, so kind of learning on the way. You guys are gonna see me learn and do everything. I hope you guys can hear me because the wind is pretty hard right now. But yeah, this is how after like an hour. Alright guys, this is how the car is looking right now. Yeah, she's looking mean. So I'm gonna try to be fixing these little gaps. Try to get them closer together. This big one, as you guys saw in the other video, we have the rubber from the other hood that we're gonna be putting on right here, so it covers that gap. And then this is the other one right here. I mean, overall it looks okay. Let you know how it looks. What do you guys think? Alright, so alright guys, finally done after like 2 hours. I got pretty much all the gaps kind of closed, trying to get that perfect fitment, and damn, she looks hot. You guys gonna see it? Here it is. So I had to try my hardest to close like the whole gap because we aren't gonna be taking it off because we are gonna be wrapping the Z or painting it. I don't know, kind of go with wrap because it's better and cheaper, I think. So if you guys have any colors, suggestions, let me guys know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, everything. And like I always say, make the day yours and stay safe. Catch you guys in the next one.
Hey, this bitch kinda heat.